Hello friends, welcome to Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas. Today I will show you top 100 beautiful indoor plant decoration ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe.
Gorgeous way to decorate your living room with plants. According to this year's trend, greenery is all over the charts. Searches for use of greenery in decor are up to 100% from last year. While flowers arrangements are gorgeous, adding real or fox greenery is a stunning way to bring the outside in. No matter what season, whether at home or in the office, you can never underrate having plants as a part of decor. Indoor plants can add a hint of color and style to your daily living spaces. Of course, the trend of having indoor plants in the living room does not seem to be changing anytime. Plant decor can make your living space more breathable and relaxed. Here are some of the way to decorate an indoor plants in your house. A large plant beside the sofa. This is typically a section that may be a touch bit empty or neglected. The idea here is to bid on a large sized ornamental plant. It will look amazing if done right. Here are some of the plants to try out from Erica Palm, Dracaena and Umbrella Papyrus. Pick a shelf. According your living room with the plants on shelves could be a smart plan. But dedicating an entire shelf to particularly placed plants might look bland and boring. Instead, we can mix it up. We can use it for keeping books, decoration piece and many more. Use a bench. Placing a single plant will seem impressive, so use a bench and opt for accumulations. This will create volume and have a cabinet effect. The idea is to bring into play and mix of plant size and pots. If not a bench, get innovative. Use beautiful chair or any other surface capable of accommodating your plants. Have stunning pots customized. Pots are easily available in variety of sizes. You can choose beautiful pots like ceramic pots, designer pots, or you can customize existing pots by painting them. It's a brilliant way to bring in your touch and integrate decoration in plants and vice versa. Decorate that corner. You probably have an awkward corner in the living room or maybe that space under your staircase. Here are few options for dealing with this. The idea is to have one big plant that can be placed in the corner of living room. The other option is to accumulate a mix of small plants or different types. It is a good idea to use a plant holder stand for enhanced looks. Hanging plants. Another great idea is to have a hanging planter in the living area. Using small planters, it's possible to keep a variety of wonderful plants that not only beautify the space but also add a new dash of freshness to space. Even better, it's really easy to set up. Use just a few small planters and or you a single hanging planter to create gorgeous effect. Floating greenery. Rather than using the whole plant, just put a branch or shoot in a vase. Pick plants that won't need soil to sustain and place it in a glass vase or bowl along with water. This serves perfect both for modern or bohemian interior. Go ahead and place them inside shelves, above table and near windows. There are many number of fun and creative way to bring plants into different area of your house. The best ways combine the authentic beauty of the greenery and flowers with the functionality of the plant in way that allow the plant to not only contribute to look of the space but also to some use, like having lavender plants in a home office to help chase stress away. Another great idea is to have a hanging herb garden in the kitchen. Using small planters, it's possible to keep a variety of wonderful fresh herbs in your kitchen that will not only beautify the space They will add a few dash of freshness to your cooking as well. Even better, it's a breeze to set up for a brick wall such as the one I've seen in the picture above. Use just a few small planters and some wood screws to create a gorgeous effect. By using individual planters rather than a series of shelves, you can create a simple yet interesting pattern that when finding yourself searching for plants to add into your decorating scheme, it's always good to remember that green isn't the only color that's available for you. Blooming plants have all of the health and aromatherapy benefits of green plants while also giving you as extra pop of color that can really set your room off. Orchids are a great long standing go to flower along stylish and bright engaging colors. No matter where you place them in a room setting, they make a statement that draw the eye and brighten the room, and with good care they can last a long time. Do create an urban rainforest. Clutter tall and bluesy plants like mother-in-law's tongues, erica palms, umbrella trees and spider plants to create a mini rainforest at home. This works particularly well to bring a touch of nature and relaxing vibes to a sterile bathroom or bland home office space. Your potted urban oasis is also great for creating an aesthetically appealing screen for an outdoor area that lacks of privacy. Every home is different and unique, and we can help you find the best home decor and home design to match your needs and style. I hope this video will help you to choose the best indoor plant decoration ideas for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to see a lot of more home related videos, and thanks for watching this video.